So here we are on Trading View. We can see here that we have on Pepsi a pullback or a possible pullback to the 30 line. That's roughly around about 137, so let's say 138. If we put in Pepsi, click trade, we want to put our dollar amount in there. No stop loss, we've got to take profit of 1,000 there. We need to make sure we are on X1. We are not using leverage, so we need to be on X1. And then the other thing we need to do is just drop this down and use a limit order. We can then change our limit order to 138. Again, that is where the 30% pullback is. And all we've got to do is press the buy button. Okay. Then when we look into our portfolio, we can see here, we've got a buy of 100 at 138. Let's look at something different. Let's go back to the watch list here. Let's look at Amazon, for instance. There it is. Let's just say we wanted to trade Amazon at its current price. We would put in the amount again. Then we would use the drop down box. Now if you look at this one here, we've got market order rather than limit order. So basically what that's saying is whatever price Amazon is right now, that's what we're buying at. If we look at Amazon on the chart, where are we? Right here. We'll notice that we're at a pullback of 10%. So if we want to buy here, then we can. The other thing we can do is we can also use the all-time high as the profit target there at 242. So let's do that. Let's put a profit target of 242. Press set. And there we go. We're all set to go. So we'll have an order at the current price, and we'll be getting out at 242 using $100. Now, that is only really applicable if we're trading anything that we believe is a very strong market, a very strong stock that will not really pull back much further than the 10%. So we've got to make sure that we're very wise and we understand what we're doing. These types of trades can pull back 20-30%. So if we're buying here, we're going to buy again here and here, and we're going to take profits on the way back out. So there you go. That's a really quick overview of how to buy using eToro and other software exactly like this.